What's up? You see me and Jared on another adventure here. I'm rocking the Down South Racing shirt, and we're here in London, Kentucky today because, well, if y'all seen a couple videos back, Jared's car was having a few issues. Well, he brought it to the dealership and had a few more things wrong with it than what we originally thought, and so I'm going to let him tell you the reason that we are now going back to the dealership.
Okay, so if you watched the video about my car messing up while we were 7 hours from home, all the lights come on the dash. Well, I recently came back on and it went in limp mode. So I scheduled an appointment to the dealership, blah blah blah, and they call me back, tell me that it's $3,000 worth of damage, that the whole hub of the wheel, speed sensor, power steering module, reverse camera, and a couple other things went bad. And then personally, I don't believe that's the issue, but
the car still rides like a Cadillac and drives just fine.
But anyway, that's led me to thinking that something else could go wrong with the car. I really don't want to fool with it, so traded it in. So here in a few minutes, about 9:20, the car should be here.
It's 9:10.
It's 9:10.
We're about 5 minutes away.
Stay tuned.
We'll fill y'all in here in a minute. It's a sad goodbye for Jared. Here she is, boys. Jared and his new 2018 EcoBoost cloth. Oh, look here, got the pony package. 3 stripes.
She's leather.
Wait, oh, is it? Oh God, it's premium. I'm so happy for you, Jared. Kidding, by the way, this is not the car. We're still waiting on it. Alright guys, so it's finally here. 18, premium. We're gonna take it on a little test drive. Stock, a lot louder than the 15 through 17 cars were stock, and his doesn't even have the active. It's just the normal exhaust. It sounds good.
What's up, guys? So we finally got the car. I'm letting Zach take it a spin, but overall, I'm impressed.
It's awesome. Drag mode is crazy, but the car is so smooth. Like, it's like, I mean, we're in 10th gear cruising at 61 miles an hour right now. I mean, like, you don't even know. Like, you drop it in sport and it auto blips. We're already in 7th, 6th, 5th. That's crazy. But something me and Jared were talking about is it sounds good, don't you think?
Yeah, it's got a real deep tone to it. It's not really that loud, but the tone overall,
yeah,
is pretty good.
But like, we're just gonna get on a little bit. We're trying to break it in still. We're shifting about 4,000, but I mean, it sounds good. Not even 4, right there's 3. But I mean, this is how quiet it is, which is a major change for you.
Major.
So, but yeah, the car is incredible. The engine is awesome, and the transmission is just crazy. Jared was kind enough to let me take a little loop here. It's only got 130 miles on it, so he's gonna break it in for a couple of days, and then we'll take her out and test her and see what she can do. But the color is beautiful. By far my favorite color. Would you say yours?
Yep.
Definitely. Black roof, awesome.
I don't know, yellow still is pretty nice.
Yellow was pretty. Yellow was a good color. But like, this is just, it looks good everywhere. You know, it don't have a bad like tint to it, I guess, in the shadows or anything.
With the black accent package on it. So we're going to give you a little, we're going to show you around. It's got, you know, it's premium. Got the navigation, drag mode.
It does have poverty gauges.
Poverty gauges.
We're just kidding. But it's got a digital speedometer now, so I mean, that's really all you need. I mean, so it's got a higher red line. Obviously, the 3rd gen Coyote's rev to 7,500. So again, guys, just really awesome ride. Really happy for Jared. I appreciate him letting me take it for a quick spin.
We'll do a little.
We're gonna quick little walk around here in just a second.
So I decided to go with the 10-speed auto. I got the premium with the 355 gears in it. But other than that, you know, can't go wrong. It's an amazing car. Leather, navigation, everything you can need. Big upgrade. The color's a lot different, especially for me. Not loud. We might keep it that way. We don't know. But other than that,
so if you guys didn't know though, 460 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque in this third gen Coyote, and it's going through the new 10R80, like he said, 355 gears, and it goes pretty quick. We're, like we said before, we're not on it all the way yet. The most we've had it at's a little under 6,000, just trying to, you know, break it in pretty good. But in drag mode, it literally chirps the tires, which is pretty cool. So other than that, guys, I'm happy for you, bud. But subscribe down below, guys. Peep the shirt. What do you guys think of that? Our logo. But
got stickers.
got stickers. We're giving out those as much as we can. We don't have a whole lot of them, so we got to be kind of careful about who we give them to, I guess. But we're giving them to our family and good friends. We're shipping a few out to some guys who messaged us on Instagram. But other than that, guys, gonna have some cool 18 Mustang content coming. Gonna be cool to see how much faster this one is than his old one. He literally had almost a full bolt-on 15 car. Checking his phone there, he's getting hit up by all the women. New car. But like I said, guys, just thank you all for the continued support. I know Jared's happy, incredibly pleased with the car. Shout out to Don Franklin Ford in London, Kentucky. That's where he got it at. Homer was your salesman, right? Homer.
Good guy.
Good guy. But until then, guys, this is Zach and Jared signing off.
Peace out.